Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jumper Exchange. First, navigate to the Jumper website and connect your preferred crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Ensure your wallet is on a supported network like Ethereum, Polygon, or Arbitrum. Jumper allows you to seamlessly swap various digital assets across these chains, providing a unified interface for your decentralized finance needs. It's designed for efficiency and ease of access. To perform a swap, select your desired from and to tokens from the drop-down menus. Enter the amount you wish to exchange. The platform will automatically calculate the estimated output. Always review the displayed gas fees and the potential price impact before proceeding. Once satisfied, confirm the transaction in your wallet. Most swaps complete within 30 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on network conditions. Jumper offers advanced settings to fine-tune your swaps. You can adjust the slippage tolerance, typically set between 0.5% and 1%, to manage price fluctuations. Set a transaction deadline to prevent pending transactions from expiring. Explore the bridging feature to move assets between different blockchains, expanding your trading possibilities. You can also view a comprehensive history of all your past transactions. For an optimal experience, always double-check the token contract addresses to avoid scams. Monitor network congestion using external tools to choose the best time for your transactions, potentially saving on gas costs. Leverage Jumper's analytics to identify favorable trading pairs and liquidity pools. Remember, a secure and informed approach ensures smooth and successful decentralized exchanges every time you use the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.